Hi everyone, and let's go over the assignment that you've already seen your grade. Everyone in this class received a 1 out of 5, which means that you need to read the instructions carefully. You need to watch the videos that I post. They're not very long, all right? So let's see what we can do with this assignment. Okay, we know all of you did the Word document, which was really very good. And all of you were very excellent that you did not retype the questions. That was excellent. What were you supposed to do? Revise each of the 5 paragraphs by correcting the spelling, punctuation, writing in the U attitude, and eliminating all negative words. That's what you were supposed to do. Correct the spelling. Some of you still use police instead of policy. Correct the punctuation. Writing in the you attitude. Remember, I gave you materials to go over this. You had the PowerPoint to go over this. And you had to eliminate all negative words. Make everything positive. All right, so let's take a look at what we could do with these paragraphs. Number 1, a new company policy is to be taken effect immediately. This could be written so much better. All right, let's take a look. I'm just giving you a guideline. Okay, and I'm using review comment. Okay, and this is how it should look, or one way. There's no one right way, but this is what you have to do is write what's better than here. A new company policy will go into effect immediately. The company, computers, and internet must be used for work-related business and essential private messages. You see what I did? All right. A new company policy will go into effect immediately. This is too awkward. Is to be taken effect immediately is very awkward. And I'm going to use one more so that you can get an idea of what to do. You see this word not? Why is it here? Why is it here? Please do not use company computers unless it is business related or as an absolute emergency. There is a new policy in place regarding the inappropriate, that's negative, use of our computers. Not is negative, okay, and inappropriate is negative. Now let's see what we could do to even combine these two sentences together and make it more, make it clearer. Okay, use company computers for business related work or in an absolute emergency. The new policy is in place regarding the correct usage of our computers. Okay, you see what I did? There are no negative words here. Nothing negative at all. Right? And then the other thing that you folks do, you like to write too much about nothing. Get to the point. Okay, look at this one, number 4. This letter is to inform. First of all, it's not even a letter, it's an email. This letter is to inform. Why is that there? What is the purpose of saying that? Get to the point. And remind all our staff that company computers and the internet, here's another negative word. Rewrite these so that they are succinct, which means that they are short, getting to the point without all of this fluffy language. We advise that it must be, what is we advise that it must be strictly used? Computers are to be used, and you've already said it, company computers and the internet must be used for must be used for company purposes. All right, this is a new policy that will be started immediately, and we appreciate your cooperation. All right, why do you need all of this other fluff? What is I personally direct? What is that? Fluff. And this is not an English essay or a history essay or a social study or social sciences or psychology essay or paper that you have to add extra words so that you can make it reach 300 or 400 or 500 words. This is business communication. Get to the point. When you folks are in your country, all right, whatever country it is outside of the United States, people go into the government offices or they go into a company office, mostly government offices. But you go in there, and if you know somebody, you folks sit down and chat. That is not what we do in the United States, and especially in New York. Get to the point. All right? Now, get to the point does not mean that you're rude. It simply means, you see, I personally direct. What is all of that nonsense? And look at all of these misunderstanding and inappropriate. Those are negative words. Rewrite these paragraphs so that they say exactly what you mean it to say. And why do we have to keep repeating over and over again? Company computers must be used for work-related or business-related activities. You say it once. If it shows up in the second sentence, revise that sentence or get rid of the sentence. You don't have to keep all of these things. All right? Some of you are on the right track, and some of you just kept on going and going on the train. The train ended on 149th and Grand Concourse, but you folks were going all the way downtown to Penn Station or Times Square. All right? Make sure, get to the point. What is it that you want to say? Okay? All of these revisions are due by 11 p.m. Monday, September the 27th. All right? You'll have other assignments, but you still have until Monday, September the 27th. Remember, watch the video, and this is going to help you. Okay? Thank you.